Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add transition in CapCut PC. So I think this for beginner. So select your videos or photos you want to edit, and I'm going just select one video. So because I only add one video, I'm going to split the clip before into some part. Just tap one split like so. And how to add transition, just tap on transition, select this transition effect you like. For instance, select this full in transition, just drag and put between the clip like so. You can also make this transition to all the clip, just apply to all, adjust for the duration like so. Apply to all again. So here we go. You can change the transition, just tap on transition. So apply to all. Just for the duration, okay. Apply to all. So that's how the transition in CapCut PC. I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.